Hello friends, welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Today I'm going to show you how to make a banana spring roll. All you need is a chocolate hazelnut spread, peanut butter, few sheet of the spring roll wrap and butter. So any butter is good. So in a spring roll wrap or sheet, add the Nutella, or if you have the chocolate spread it will good, or jam or peanut butter. So just give about 1 tablespoon. I'm adding the ripe banana. I'm wrapping it and I just put a glue. To make a glue is a 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon water. So we're going to make a packet and just press it down, and we all make sure it's stick and tight together. So we're going to repeat it. Now I'm going to show you the peanut butter and banana wrap, the spring roll. Place the peanut butter, spread the peanut butter in the middle, add the banana, and we're going to place that the glue, flour glue, and then all the side, and we're going to press it down each side and make a small pocket and wrap it, and again we put the glue and wrap it. So we're going to repeat this process. Once you repeat and you complete all that sheet fiber, and add the melted butter and brush it on the top of this banana spring roll. Generous amount. Once you brush it properly, it give nice crunchy. So today I'm using air fryer, and I'm going to place it in a 350 Fahrenheit. It's a baking setting, or either air fryer 300 Fahrenheit for 5 to 6 minutes. So arrange it all the spring roll, and it should be take a 5 to 7 minutes, and now it's ready. You can see that it's nice golden brown and it's so delicious. And then I'm just dusted some powdered sugar. I have the strawberry slices, and you can enjoy with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, or any ice cream is go so well, and drizzle some chocolate sauce. It's so heaven. It's you won't believe that banana we're going to throw away, and you can make this yummy dessert no time, friends. It just take under 10 minutes if you have the spring roll wrap. If you don't have the spring roll wrap, you always can use the filo sheet, and you can have the 2 layer, and then you can make it nicely. So give it a try. So crunchy. It's heard that the crunchiness. The banana is mushy and soft. The chocolate hazelnut is just melt, and hot and cold. This is so delicious, amazing dessert. You can see the banana is just melted, and it's so delicious, friend. You can eat all of this no time, and just so comforting cold and hot dessert. I hope you enjoy another recipe from our channel. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see how to use the air fryer to make a banana filter. You need a banana. It's a ripe banana, 1 egg, 1/4 cup rice flour, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, for cinnamon powder, brown sugar. So friend, if you have banana, do not throw away. If you have ripe banana, we can make a delicious dessert from air fryer, and you need a 5 slices of a bread, and I just pulse it and make it like a breadcrumbs with a food processor. So this is our coating, the crunchy coating. So this is the technique. If you have the breadcrumbs available, you can use it. So I just split the banana to the two sides, and I make it little smaller. So I cut a half banana, I split it off. So keep it ready. Once it's ready, we can make that the crunchy batter. So to make it is you need a equal amount, like a ratio, same amount, 1:1. So today I'm using 1/4 cup of rice flour, 1/4 cup of the all-purpose flour, 1 egg, and salt. Give a nice mix, and we keep adding the water. The water quantity should be around the half cup to plus 2 tablespoon water. That's sufficient to get the thick batter. It should be like a pancake batter, the consistent. And we're going to dip that banana, and we're going to roll that banana on that the bread crumbs that we made it earlier. So we dip the banana with the batter, and we're going to roll that banana with the breadcrumbs. So we're going to repeat this process. So you're going to coat it, nice coating the breadcrumbs. So why we're going to do it is going to give nice crunchy. So basically the banana filter is famous in Indonesia and Malaysia. We always do this same recipe by we're going to deep fry this banana filter, but today I'm not going to use single oil. I'm just using the air fryer method. So we're going to give nice coating. It's a healthy version. So once you have that coated nicely, and we're going to preheat the air fryer. So today I use the air fryer setting, and for the 350 Fahrenheit. Now we can prepare that cinnamon sugar. It's a cinnamon and brown sugar. We mix it and keep it aside. So friend, the air fryer is ready. Now we can arranging all that the coated banana to the air fryer tray. So place it evenly. You don't need to cap on it because it's not going to raise or anything, because the hot air circle anyway, it's going to cook evenly. Now we can lock this air fryer. So after 5 minutes you can see that nicely brown, and we're going still keep going on cook until turn to the nice golden brown. So the cooking time, it should be take around 8 to 10 minutes complete to turn to the golden brown. The variation is based on the temperature and then the what type of the air fryer. So just follow your air fryer method. So I'm just coated with the cinnamon sugar. This is the final step, and we can serve this hot banana filter with any favorite sauce or just like that. It's so perfect. It's a instant churro. Kids will enjoy this banana filter. It's a healthy version and fat free. So I hope you try this recipe. It's simple recipe and super healthy, and you can save a lot of money by not throwing that ripe banana. Instead that you can make this delicious homemade air fryer banana filter. So friend, Look at this, so crispy and yummy. I just break one. It's so soft, the banana, and it's just so delicious, friend. It's crunchy outside, sweet from the cinnamon, sugar, and then the sweet ripe banana. It's so yummy, friend. You can always use that the same banana filter by air fryer or deep frying, pan fry, or baking in the oven. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you.